I bet most of you have never been tried this dumplings at home before. Yes, these are dumplings, but not the typical one, it's egg dumplings. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you an incredible recipe. To make this dumplings you need half cup grounded beef, 1/4 cup shrimp paste, 1/4 cup chopped onion, 2 chopped green chilies, half teaspoon of garlic, ginger and garam masala, 2 teaspoon of tomato sauce and soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And use a spoon to make tiny chunk for the filling. Now crack some eggs, add pinch of salt and beat it very well. Now follow the process I am showing you. This part is very interesting. To make the outer part, we are going to take a non-stick pan. Then we'll brush some oil so that the egg won't stick to the pan. Then I will put some eggs in the pan. And wait for some moment to cook it. This can't be overcooked. I will take a piece of that filling and put it in the middle of the egg. Now, this part is tricky. You have to carefully fold the egg. For this process I'm using an induction cooker, you can use any stove. Also, you can use spoon to make this. I will show it next time you watch, like, share this video, and subscribe my channel. Please inspire me to make videos. Your help can make my mom to let me take cooking as a career. I want to open my own restaurant. This is my dream. Please share your dream with me in comment section as well. Now, let's get back to the recipe. When I will complete making all the dumplings, I will have to steam it to cook the meat. I will steam it in a double boiler for 15 to 20 minutes. It was super delicious, try it at home and let me know, bye.